In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips for marketing your AI business. AI is transforming the world we live in. It's bigger than the internet. Nowadays, you can use AI for practically anything. And if you have an AI product, service, business, or company that you're looking to launch, here are the marketing strategies you need to pay attention to. Number 1, you need to have a product demo. A product demo that just amazes people. It's that magical moment when you first use ChatGPT for the first time. It was able to do things that you couldn't even believe. And that's what you need, a short video or product demo of how your AI business can transform the lives and the workload of what somebody's currently doing. Now, we've seen this for everything from transcription tools to video editing to photo editing, and even taking real life pictures of yourself and transforming it into these beautiful AI imagery. Number 2 for a marketing strategy is to leverage AI influencers or thought leaders. Now, these people can be anywhere from LinkedIn to TikTok to Instagram to YouTube to Facebook and even other news and media outlets. Get them to use your tool and share it to their audience. Why? Is that their audience is people that are looking to leverage these new AI tools and different products into their workload. First adopters to leverage the latest technology, as opposed to other users who'd like to wait and see before others. And so by leveraging these AI influencers, they already have the audience that are already looking for some of the latest AI tools. So the third marketing strategy for your AI business you want to use is to leverage Google paid ads to figure out the keyword where there are customers and demand willing to pay for your AI product or service. Now, this is very important because what you can do, and say you're building an AI product for a certain niche or industry, and whether that could be in the finance space, in the home services, in healthcare, in e-commerce, the list goes on and on. You can basically buy a keyword on Google for what exactly your product does and be able to see if there's demand, if people are willing to pay for it. And then from there, you can go ahead and either build your product, expand upon it, or also branch into other marketing strategies. But then you'll know if there's demand. So the fourth marketing strategy for your AI business is to leverage search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization can be anything from Google to ChatGPT itself, to Reddit, to TikTok, to Facebook, to Yelp, to Expedia. And when people do search engine optimization, they would be able to find your AI product or a service. And so essentially, you want to make sure that you have the proper keywords that they're looking for. And it doesn't have to be necessarily related to AI, but for something that would be related. So let's use a common example, which is a CRM system. Maybe they're looking to buy a software product, they're looking to buy a physical product, whatever it may be, but you want to rank on Google through search engine optimization for your product, and then have AI be a secondary component to that. But rank for whatever it is, the problem or the solution that your customer's already looking for. And then now you have that added plus of having AI in there. So the fifth marketing strategy that you want to leverage is community groups. So if you think about these different industries, and there's a community group for practically every interest that's out there, whether you're an accountant, a lawyer, a gamer, or even a web developer, or a video editor, there are these community groups that exist in person and also online where you can talk about your AI product. You can introduce them and highlight how things were previously done before AI, and how AI can give them these superpowers of 10 to 100xing their productivity with this new AI business or product that you're essentially selling and promoting. And the last marketing strategy, which is a bonus tip, is to leverage Reddit. Did you know that Reddit's traffic has almost 10 times over the past year because Google has been pulling from it and inserting it into the search results for when people go to the internet. So what you can do for marketing your AI business is to go into Reddit subreddits and start talking about what you do and answering frequently asked questions about the product or service that your AI business solves. And so, or yeah, whatever problem may exist, and just being very helpful. And naturally, when ChatGPT, when these other search engines understands all the language that's going on Reddit, they would be able to take your company and serve it up and say, hey, here's a solution for you. So there you have it. If you like these tips and strategies for marketing your AI business, we have a free newsletter that you can subscribe to. You can also contact us at Crowdcreate. We are a digital marketing agency that helps AI businesses go to market, get exposure, build brand awareness for what they're doing. We've worked with both billion-dollar companies all the way to fast-growing startups, and we'd love to hear about your AI business. And go ahead and comment below. We'd love to hear what you're building in AI as well.